And now for our cute little lion, we've got a mocha brown 160 inflated about halfway, so you got about an 8-inch tail. And then we've got a goldenrod 260 inflated with about a 7-inch tail on the end. We're going to start with our goldenrod. Twist about a 1-inch bubble. Then we want a slightly smaller bubble, maybe a 3/4 inch bubble there. And then another 1-inch bubble on the other side. We want it to be about the same size of these two here. And we're going to grab our knot and spin that entire thing around. Tuck our knot up in there out of the way. Now we're going to make about a 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. And set it up on top. There's our snout. Now we're going to make about another 1/2 to 3/4 inch bubble. We're going to make a basic bear head on top of this. Make about an 1.5 inch bubble, a little 1/2 inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. About a 1-inch bubble there. Another 1/2 inch bubble. Make this an ear twist. And then another bubble the same size as this one coming down the other side. And then spin that whole assembly around together. There's the beginning face of our lion. Now we'll make about a 3/4 inch bubble for the neck. About a 1-inch bubble. Another 1-inch bubble. That will be our little front leg. This guy is really petite and cute. We're going to make about a real small, little less than a 1/2 inch bubble on the back here. Make that into an ear twist. About an 1.5 inch body. Another tiny little ear twist on the back here. And then I'm going to take this ear twist and split it into 2 small bubbles. Like that. Now we need 2 back legs, about the size of our front legs. Bring them back into that little split ear twist we've got there. Take the excess off. Be sure and lock it in really good. Tuck that up inside there. Now we're going to take our mocha brown. Grab your nozzle. Twist it in at the base of that bear head assembly. Tuck the nozzle in. Now we're going to make a string, several strings of pearls. It's actually 1 string that's going to interlock at each of the ears. So start by making some little 1/2 inch bubbles until you get up to that first ear. Twist it around and then just continue across the top. You get to his other ear, go around again, and then back down the other side of his head. And around his neck and head. Take off the excess. We'll hang on to this. First, we need to secure this in here really good. If you want, you can tie a knot in it. And just tuck it up in there. There's our lion's face. Now the piece that I had left over, I've sucked a little bubble on the end of the tail. And make your tail about 4 or 5 inches long, whatever you think. Tie a knot in to secure that. And then cut off, leaving about maybe 1/4 inch there past your knot. Now grab that, and we're going to twist that into our tail here once or twice. And then come around and finish it up where that kind of catches in between those 2 cheeks so that his tail will stick up just like that. This makes his mouth, so all we need to add is whiskers and eyes. And some people like to put them on the cheeks. You can put them up here, whatever you like. And we have our cute little lion.